goes out to all my friends. It's the song you probably know. Well, I changed it. Remember when I told you all my friends, Zoe, Emily, and even Morte, Sutton and Ellery, Ava, and Zoe. I always mention her, but that's okay. Remember when I told you you'll never be alone, even when we go through changes, even when you won't. Remember that I told you you'll never be alone, even when we go through changes, even when we're old. Remember all you guys, we will never be alone. Especially Greta and Emily and Clinton and Ava and Ellery. I gave you those necklaces for a reason, cause we've been friendship. I know you all since I knew you all since pre-K, but except for Emily. She only went here from kindergarten, but that's okay. You guys are my special best friends. I knew you since I was like a little kid, like 3. So remember when I told you you'll never be alone, even when we go through changes, even when we're old. Remember that I told you you guys never be alone, cause I will always find my way home. Remember that I told you I'll find my way back home.